So बच्चे two concepts are there in the chapter 10.1 financial market. First is concepts and types. Second is types of financial market. Second is बच्चे types of financial market. There are two types of financial market. Number one, money market. And number two, capital market. Number one, money market, and number two, capital market. Two types of markets are there. But a money market is a short-term securities are bought and sold. The market that deals in short-term securities. This is a market which deals in short-term securities. Maximum age of a security will be 1 year. It will be less than 365 days. And capital market is a market which deals in long-term securities. Got my point, bache? Two types of financial markets are there. If securities age is less than 365 days, means it's a short-term security, then it will be dealt in money market. But on the contrary, if you are dealing in long-term securities more than a year, then you will deal in capital market. That will be sold and purchased in capital market. Capital market is also divided into two subparts: primary market and secondary market. Primary market and secondary market. And main instruments which are dealt here: short term securities. I am going to add few new words into your dictionary. First is bache treasury bill. Treasury bill. Second is commercial paper. Commercial paper. Third is call money. Call money. Fourth one is bache certificate of deposits. Certificate of deposits. Fifth one is commercial bill. Commercial bills. And here the instruments dealt in capital market is equity shares, preference shares, debentures and others. Okay. These are all long-term securities. There are two types of financial market: money market and capital market. Types of financial markets are two types: money market and capital market. When we are dealing in short-term securities less than a year, it will be dealt in money market. And when we are talking about the long-term securities, that is called capital market. Capital market is of two types. I will tell you later, primary and secondary. And the main instruments of capital market are long-term sources of finance: equity share, preference share and debenture. Now bache, in short-term securities, 5 new things are added into your mind now: treasury bill, commercial paper, call money, certificate of deposit and commercial bill. We will talk about today money market only. So money market is a market which deals in short-term securities. Okay. What is treasury bill? We will talk first about the instruments. What is a treasury bill? Treasury bill means that short-term instrument which the central government issues to the financial institutions or the general public in order to meet its short-term financial needs. Its maturity period cannot more than 1 year. They are issued by the RBI on behalf of government. This is the instrument which government used to issue. Who issue? Government issues through RBI. Government issues this instrument through RBI, and the maturity period of these type of issues are 14 days, 91 days, 182 days, 364 days maximum. For these type of days, this instrument can be issued. These bills are generally bought by who purchase this? Generally, commercial bank, non-banking financial companies, LIC, UTI, GIC, etc. Treasury bills are highly liquid nature because the RBI is ever ready to buy them back. They are issued at less than the face value while the payment is made at the face value. The income of investor on the treasury bill is equal to the difference between the issue price. Suppose बच्चे you have purchased a treasury bill and you have made a payment of 20,000, and on the bill it is written that 25,000 is the face value. So you have paid today 20,000 and you have purchased a bill of the face value 25,000. When after 14 days or 91 days or 182 or 364 days, when you will return this bill to government, government will give you 25,000. Is it clear to you? This is the prefixed discount. Why you are buying? Just for this gap, and it is a highly liquid, very safe investment. If you have a lot of money in future and you want to invest, go for treasury bills. They are issued by the government of India with the help of RBI. This is highly secure investment, and if it is written 25,000 on the face value of the document, and you have to pay less than that, but you will get the face value when you will return this after the specified time. Within a year, this interest, this gap will be given to you. Treasury bill, when government of India wants some money, if government is facing some financial crisis, it will issue treasury bill to general public or bank or institutions. Banks are having a lot of money, suppose a lot of money they are having, they can invest in treasury bill, because within a year they will get good handsome returns on the investment. So financial institutions, banks, other things, they invest money in the government, and government, which government issues, that is called treasury bill. Treasury bill is a bill which is issued by the government for fulfilling their needs, temporary needs, and with the help of RBI they are issuing, and the amount is already prefixed discount. And it can be on auction basis also. For the purpose of auction, the Reserve Bank through the medium of newspapers invites tenders. So on auction basis also they can be sold. So this is treasury bill, bache. When government of India needs money, they will issue treasury bill with the help of RBI. Okay. Second is commercial paper. Commercial paper. Now, beta, commercial paper are those unsecured promissory notes which are issued by well-reputed companies. Who are issuing them? Well-reputed company. Suppose Anil Ambani wants to open a new company and they need finance on an urgent basis. Then what they will do? They will issue commercial papers. Well-reputed companies issue commercial papers. For example, in order to expand its business, a company is going to issue equity shares. The company shall have to bear heavy flotation cost. The money spent in meeting the flotation cost can be met by issuing commercial paper. If they need any type of financial help for short term, they can issue commercial paper. The minimum face value of commercial paper is rupees 5 lakh. One commercial paper will be of rupees 5 lakh. And dealing process, the commercial papers are issued for a period of 15 days to 12 months. They usually issued on discount, but sometimes they are also issued on a definite rate of interest. There is no active secondary market available for them. However, the issuing company buys them on request. If you have purchased these commercial paper for 6 months, but you want to sell them before that, you can easily go for that. This company will easily buy them back. Okay, bache. So we have talked about types of financial market: money market and capital market. Money market is a market where short term securities are brought and sold, and capital market is a market where long term securities are brought and sold. So we are talking about short term securities. If government of India wants some money, they will issue treasury bill. If well reputed companies want some money, they will issue commercial paper. Third is bache call money. Call loans means that loan document the payment for which can be made at a short notice either by the borrower or the lender. Even on a call, you can ask for money. Under this, the maturity period of the loan is between 1 to 15 days. 1 to 15 days only. And it can be called on the phone. If you need some money, what you will do? You will call up your friend and you will ask, do you have 500 rupees? I need them now. And he will say, yes, I'm having, I'm sending. So this is just a call money. Okay, bache? Call money is a method under which banks borrow from each other so that CRR is maintained, cash reserve ratio. They have to maintain a certain part of their reserve deposit as liquid form, in liquid form. If more people withdraw from bank and they are not having the limited money with them, then what they will do? They will call another bank. Like if you don't have money, you need money, you call your friend. In the same way, if bank wants some money for a short time, they will make a call to another bank, and if the another bank is having surplus money, they will give it to this branch. When deposit will come, then this bank will return that money to his friend bank. So this is just a call money which banks use to exchange with each other. If one bank needs money, he can ask from second another bank.